Hello, my name is Aditya Zanesty, and I want to present my design thinking final exam, which title is Design Thinking Cost Finding and Business Development. First of all, I want to introduce my projects. That's I'm a content creator representing the brands Beyond the Cost, which operates on TikTok and Instagram. This account focuses on the media content about anak kos, kos-kosan while working or studying in Jakarta. However, the main issue is the account doesn't have a business line to generate revenue income, and there is no sale at all. To address this, I did a root cause analysis was conducted with the five whys, and the first one I did a question that why does the account has not does not have a business line, and the answer is because the owner has not offered any product or sales. Why not offer the product? And because the owner has not decided yet what could be offered. Why not decide yet? Because the owner does not know the specific needs or the problem, and why doesn't know? Because the owner has not attempted to understand the target audience, and why don't understand? Because the owner has not conducted problem based ideation. So based on that, did the uh, I will do the how to say the design thinking based on my target audience, which is a worker or students who migrate to big cities, especially Jakarta, and the needs is generally to find place to stay in Jakarta, of course, and the specific needs is who needs a transparent information and to avoid some unwanted incidents such as scammed. And the insight is surprisingly user does not trust photos displayed on the information provider website. So cost owner also difficult to contact, and sometimes the contact number is a scam or a fraud. So next, I did the empathy process with interview first, and I did interview to my friend that is 23 years old, startup officer, and live in Jakarta and staying at cost. And from the interview, the biggest challenge faced by him are centered around trust and communication and accessibility. Many feel he not many he really find that he feel deceived by online listing photos and description often don't match reality, leading to the feeling of unworthiness of the cost or the room he rental. So uh, another another pain point is that he found some numbers that are actually a fake number, and owner are unresponsive, making it harder to secure a combination to secure the room. And additionally, because he doesn't know at all about Jakarta before he went to Jakarta, and he doesn't know about which one is cheaper, which area is cheaper, which area is safe, and etc. And then I did observation from TikTok, especially on the comment, because I want to know the genuine thing about the user. And this observation found that many TikTok users, also my target audience, use the comment section of the cost review content to share their experience or ask for help in the finding boarding house. Not boarding house, to find the cost. And they express the challenge they face, such as a difficulty of finding a cause according to their needs, of avoiding fraud or limited information available. And this is my empathy map, and uh, I divide it by six says things, bills, scans, spends, and does. And I did reframe the problem that how might we create a solution that make it easier for them to find a cost person that suit their needs. So uh, I generate some idea, but before I jump into the ideation to the prototyping, I divided by 6 point. Next, I extract the key point to facilitate ideation, where I gather insight from the empathy map before us before, and this point will serve as the main ideas for the prototyping. And the ideation process categorizes criteria into desirable, viable, and feasible. So before is like a simple one, and this is more specific one. And the next is I made one prototype. First, I made three prototype, and first in the prototype one is PDF product. And the first idea is to create PDF listing for the people who are looking for the cost. Then this listing will be a summary of the cost that I have personally surveyed. So I did some surveying to do some costs. And if a user is interested in one of the costs, I will act as a broker between them and the owner. So uh, it it emphasizes the idea of the transparency, security, and user friendliness. The content on the PDF is designed to be highly interactive, so they can click if they are interested. Like they click to the website, they click the map, and they click to the WhatsApp that I already put it in the PDF and so on. And the second prototype is the me as the my account is become a cost finder agent such as a property agency, but this is more specific to the cost kosan. This idea emphasizes the trustworthiness and address the common problem of how challenging it can be for user to find the suitable cost. So by using this idea service, user can save significant time and effort. So they just say that I want this, and they don't do anything at all, and let me do the rest. And the workflow about this prototype is the first is to create a cost database, collect the user requirement, survey it, contact the cost owner, and if it doesn't meet the requirement, uh, yeah, it can be canceled or anything. And contact and connect the owner to the user, and I will ask the commission from the owner of the course, and I will ask the administration like petrol and the gas price or etc. And the third is make a crowd gather mobile app. So the third idea is to create a landing page that act as a bridge between cost seeker and cost owner, connecting them to directly through the WhatsApp. So it's just like a bridge opening. And this concept emphasize trustworthiness and reliability. And the landing page will be functions like a blind date, where cost owner and are first correlated to ensure that they are legitimate and suitable for the seeker's need, and cost seeker will register by submitting their requirement. And the user will be grouped into classified WhatsApp group based on specific categories, but not that specific. But it can like user who want to rent a course from in Kebayoran Baru or in Jakarta Timur and etc. And the revenue model will rely on the commission from the cost owner also. And I choose the idea. I decide that I will combine all my ideas into a single mobile application, and the app will function as all-in-one platform to connect cost seeker and cost owner while ensuring transparency, security, and friendliness. And this this idea will these apps, it will be not that automatically like marketplace are like a web or something, and it will be like a broker or a WhatsApp organizer. And the first testing is I did a user test to my friend, and he is Rizal Yahya. Occupation is private sector employee, and He living in the coast and age 23. And I want to chat about whether the idea helped solve the problem or not. So the the feedback I received is the user found the idea helpful in facilitating the process of finding costs, but however, he mentioned that some aspects such as PDF process and transitioning to WhatsApp felt somewhat complicated and could benefit from further improvement. And the user appreciated that the app's attractive design but suggested simplifying one of the process and focusing on a single core. And the other one is become secondary and presented as some supplementary option as the initial interface felt confusing to the user. And the testing was conducted on December 8th, 2024. And the second test, I did a market test. For my second test, I conducted a market test by releasing the mobile app through my TikTok account, and I promoted the app to my followers and encouraging them to access it via their smartphones. The result is shown that 1,020 to 221 views within 1 week, and 502 of them is clinging on the product, and I generate sales about 46. That means that if I use in the framework of AIDA, or attraction, interest, sorry, awareness, interest, desire, action, the metric are as follows. Uh, 12K followers become 1.2 thousand views and to 502 clicks and 46 sales means the desirable rate is 9.7%. Interest rate is half of it, 41%, and close rate, or people who decide to buy, is 9%. So this result indicate that the idea has its own market. It's capable of solving a problem, but has the potential to generate revenue. But however, there is still room for improvement in certain areas to optimize the rates further and maximize the performance. And that's all from me. And thank you for listening my presentation.